Let's do this one, please. This is a quotient rule problem because you have this man dividing this man here. This one here becomes your U. This one here becomes your V. So I will say, let U be equal to numerator 4x cubed plus 2 to power 3. Excuse me. Please help me, please. What will be du dx? Help me out. What will it be? 3 into 12x squared into all right. Write out we're using chain rule shortcut. Write out the power 3. Differentiate them in the bracket. If I differentiate 4x cubed, you have 12x squared plus 2 is a constant. It goes off. Repeat the term in the bracket. Repeat this man here. Subtract 1 from the power. You have 2. Expand this. 3 times 12x squared. What do you have there? 36x squared into 4x cubed plus 2 to power 2. All right, we've gotten u du dx. Let's get v. Also, v is equal to what's v? 2x 4 minus 2 power 6 now, right? Give me the vdx. Write out the power. Chain. So this is literally chain rule. So I'm using chain rule shortcut. Write out the power there. 6. Differentiate this man. 8x to power 3. Repeat this. 2x to power 4 minus 5. Subtract 1. 5. So I have this. Multiply this. 6 times 8. 48. X to power 3 into 2x to power 4 minus 5 to power what there? 5. This is the value of the VDX. We've gotten U, the UDX, we've gotten V, the VDX. At this juncture, all we have to do is to bring in what there? Quotient rule. All right, so we'll say using quotient rule. Using quotient rule, we'll have that dy dx is equal to what there? V du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. All right. Let's put in values, please. What's v? See v here. That's what there? 2x power what? Minus 2 power. This is v. What's the udx? The udx has its own bracket. You know what to do now, right? Use the word there, square bracket. So square bracket into, what do you have there? 36x squared into 4x cubed plus 2 power squared. Okay. Minus u. What u? 4x cubed plus 2 to the power what there? This into the VDX. So I'm going to use a square bracket. 48 what? X to power 3 or x cubed into 2 power minus 5 to power 5. Very lovely looking numerator. What do you think? Lovely looking numerator. Okay. This all over v squared. What's v? Now, since v already has square bracket. I now use round bracket. V squared becomes 2x power 4 minus 5. This to power there 6. V all, please watch what I'm doing. V squared. So I have this. Do we just mind our business and just end it here? We should factorize. Hey. Man. Now hang on. I always believe in something, which is what? The question is, how do I simplify this? Hold on, let me ask first. Leave all the stuff you see here. What is the concept behind simplifying this? What do you think you should do? In things like this, the first thing you want to do is to take out arrange them properly. By that I mean take out number first. What's the number here? 36. Take out the alphabet. What is here? X squared. 36x squared. Bring up this one. What do you have there? 2x power 4 minus 5 to power what there? 6. Finally, this one here. 4x cubed plus 2 to power what there? 2. So that's it. This is how you arrange this. All right. This one first. This one. Take the bracket. Take the bracket. That's all. I just rearrange. Nothing different. Minus. Repeat this concept here. What will it be there? So 48 into what there? X cubed into 4x cubed plus 2 to power what there? Into minus 2 power. All right, so let me write this properly, please. This. That's it. Just arrange them. This all over. This all over. How do you simplify this? What do you do? Of course, this will multiply this. That becomes what there? 2x power 4 minus 5. 6 times 2, 12. Are we done? How do you factorize this? Can I clean here, please? Please write fast, please. So listen, please. Let me show you how to do this. Listen. Factorizing this is actually very simple. The first thing you want to look at is consider the numbers. Numbers here are what there? 36 and what there? 48. 36 and 48. Give me HCF. 4 can go here, Abi. 4 here. 9. 4 here. 12. 3 here. 3 here. What's my HCF? 12. Please follow me. 12. So I'm having my first factor as 12. Please follow me. So what I did there. Work with the numbers. I'm done. What's next you have there is what there? X squared and what there? X cubed. I told you something earlier. When you have the same term but different power, what do you take? The one with the lesser power. So between x squared and x cubed, which do I take? The lesser power. If lesser too much, the one with the smaller power. X squared. All right. I am done with the number. I'm done with this. Again, observe I have 2x power 4 minus 5 occurring twice. See the power. Which am I taking? The lesser power. So it comes here. It becomes what there? 2 what? X power 4 minus what? Which is lesser power? 5. Very simple something. No big deal. Again, I'm done with this. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Finally, this man here. This man occurs twice. See the power. Take the lesser power. What do you have there? 2 power. All right. That's all. You factorize. That's all. No big deal. Now, continue with this. So, all you have to do is this. 36 divided by 12. What do you have there? So, what's in 9? 3. X squared divided by x squared. Cancels out. This is this to power 6. This is this to power 5, Abby? So if you take out 5 from the 6, how many is left? 1 of it. So it becomes what there? 2x power what? 4 minus 5. Good. Finally, this man here. This is to power 2. This to power 2. It cancels out. It's gone. The sign here is negative. So I'm having minus 48 divided by 12. What do you have there? So it becomes 4 into x cubed divided by x squared. What do you have there? X into, this is 4x cubed plus 2 to the power 3. This is 4x cubed plus 2 to the power what there? 2. That is, this is 2. If I take away this from that, what do you have there? 4x cubed plus what there? 2. 1 is left. Right? You have 3 of this. This is this to power 3. Here you have this to power 2. If I take it off, only one of it is left, which is this. Then finally, you have 2x to power 4 minus 5 to power 5. This is power 5 and this power 5. What happens there? You cancel out. So I'm done. So you see that the factorization is not even hard. Just keep your eyes down. It's not hard. Keep your eyes down. All over, what do you have here? 2x power minus 5 power there. 12. All right, let's see this. This one can be expanded, right? Yes, now. Because the powers are normal, so it can expand. So this is equal to, what do you have there?
To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description.